This is the evolution of smart video personalization. So what we are going to do is we're going to start from scratch on our smart video revolution editor or evolution editor. We are going to click off of there, and the first thing that we are going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I want to show you the whole new revamped media section. Why is this media section revamped? Well, what we wanted to do is we wanted to give you more control and an easier time over making videos. One thing that you had to do in the smart video editor is you had to upload each one of your videos separately. What we have done is we have taken that heartache away from you. So what you are going to now be able to do is in the media section, you will notice here that you have videos, you have images, and you have music. Now what you can do is you can upload your videos, which means intros, outros, however you would like. But to put your videos in order of how you want to use them, all you have to do is upload your videos, click this little button here, and you can now preview that video. You can also click to use it, but that is not the end of this update. What we now are allowing you to do is pick all of the videos that you would like to add to make your video. However many videos you have, you can preview each and every one of those videos that you have now before you add them. And now I have picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different videos. And now here comes the magic. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to add to my timeline, and look, ladies and gentlemen, all of your videos have now been added to your timeline in the order that you pick them. What this is going to do is this is going to make video creation absolutely more simple and less complicated than you could ever imagine. You can also quickly go here and add transitions into each one of those videos. So what I'm going to do here is, as you could see, we could just add transitions right into these videos right here. As you could see right there, there are transitions that are added here also. So what we have done is we have automated that experience for you, so you do not have to even add in your transitions. We will automatically add them in for you once you've picked those videos, and all you have to do is pick the different transition that you would like and hit apply, and now that transition is now on your video. This will make video creation simpler than you have ever had it on our software before. Next thing that you will notice is as we are going here, what you could do also is the videos that you have your DropMock API. So if you are using DropMock, you could use DropMock. You have your Pixabay integration also, where you can pick multiple videos from Pixabay. Okay. You could search for videos on Pixabay, pick those multiple videos on Pixabay, and then one click add to your timeline. And this is going to make your video creation so much easier, so much quicker than you ever had before. Another thing is that you have your Pexels integration. What we've done is we have added the two top integrations for videos out there into our system, so that you do not have to go out and buy videos. You can just go in here and you could search. So let's say you are working with an attorney, you could go in here and just search for attorney and bring up all of these different attorney videos here. Add those videos with one click. You can preview those videos also. and then you can just quickly add it to the timeline, okay? Now, going over this, if you want to use YouTube, if you are one of those people that uses YouTube or you use Vimeo, you could quickly go here and add in the URL for your YouTube or your Vimeo video, and then quickly with one click add to your timeline. This works the same way with images. So if you are doing a video for a wedding and you want to just use images, all you have to do is upload those images. You are just going to click on all of the images that you would like to add to that video, however many there are. You can also preview them very quickly, very easily, and then you are just going to click the add to timeline button, and what that's going to do is that's going to add all of those images to your timeline, changing your images into a video very quickly and very easily. And this also works with music. So if you want to use different music at different points of the personalized video that you've made, you can quickly and easily be able to do that by selecting those and then clicking add to timeline. So this is going to make video creation easier, personalized video creation easier than you have ever imagined. Now, we have reimagined our elements section also. And in our elements section, you are going to see all of the elements and some that you have never ever seen before. So you still have your smart text, your personalized image, your personalizer, list builder, lead generator, stickers, Giphy, which is a new integration, GIF stickers, CTA, screen recorder, text-to-speech, connect, LT presets, overlays, blending modes. All of these have been reimagined to be easier, simpler for you to be able to use. All new design on those, and all you have to do is click on each one of those, and then it is going to obviously go over to your editor and go into, then you can add it into your timeline. So this has all been reimagined for each and every one of you all, but the biggest thing ever that we have done and what we have been working on is personalized video is obviously one of the most advanced forms of video marketing. What we have done is we have taken personalized video to the next level with our text-to-speech system. Now, this, ladies and gentlemen, has been something that we have been working on or wanted to institute ever since Video Remix started, and we are finally at that point of being able to do it. You are going to be one of the first marketers ever to be able to provide enterprise-grade personalized text-to-speech. Now, how is this going to work? It is very, very simple, ladies and gentlemen. You have over 29 different languages that you are going to be able to choose between, and you have over 49 voices. Now, those voices are broken up into two different types of voices. One are your regular voices, and then you have your pro version voices, which your pro version are the elite of the elite text-to-speech voices. Now, how is that going to work? What I'm going to do here is that you can actually go through
Become the only marketer in the world providing
voices.
personalized video text-to-speech. Become the only marketer in the world providing
Become the only marketer in the world. Become the only marketer in the world providing personalized video text-to-speech.
Now, you could go through each one by using the icon here and
Become the
going
only
through
marketer
and
in the
hearing
Become
those
the only marketer
voices,
in the world.
right?
Become the
But
only
you can
marketer.
also
Become the
click
only
here
marketer in the
for
world
Pro
providing
and
personalized
see
video.
the
Become the
difference
only marketer in
between
the world
the
providing
Pro version
personalized
of that
video
voice
text-to-speech.
and the regular version of that voice, okay? And you can even change the different languages here.
Become the only marketer in the world providing personalized video text-to-speech.
Okay.
Become the only marketer in the world providing personalized video text-to-speech.
Become the only marketer in the world providing personalized video text.
Become the only marketer in the world.
Become the only marketer in the
There are
world
so
providing
many different
personalized video
options that you have,
text-to-speech.
And the greatest thing about this is now you are going to be able to add these to personalized video. What exactly does that mean? What that means is something very simple and very easy. What you are going to be able to do here is you are going to click personalize and voice, and you will be able to choose between first name, last name, email, geo country, geo city, geo state, name, and custom. Gender is actually going to be removed. Facebook no longer allows the gender, but that is okay. So what we're going to do here is we are going to go with name. I'm going to quickly add that, and now you have two different ways to be able to do this text to speech. You have your fallback value. What does the fallback value mean? The fallback value means if someone does not go through your video with personalization on Facebook or on LinkedIn, what you can do is you can do a fallback value to say friend, so that it actually says something instead of not saying their name at all. Then you can go here into the text space and you can put in your text right here. You are the best, right? And you quickly just choose what
Become
voice
the
you
only
want to
marketer
use.
in the world providing personalized video text speech.
Okay, and you can then save that video right here. Okay, you are going to be able to save that video, and what will happen is that video is going to, that text to speech is actually going to go over here where you can simply add it to your video in one click. Okay, you'll be able to add it to your timeline in one click. You can also filter through each one of the voices. So if you've saved multiple voices, you could go here and you could click standard voice, or you could click pro voice. That is completely up to you, and you will be able to filter through all of the voices that you've saved. Now, why is this so important and why is this so futuristic? Because now once you add this to your video, that video is not only going to personalize with your with the person who is watching that video's information, but it is actually going to speak to them. It is going to say their name. It is going to say their first name. It will say their last name. It'll say their email address. It'll speak their geo country, their geo city, their geo state, their name, and any custom information. And we'll talk about custom when we are on the beta launch webinar. There are so many different opportunities that you are going to be able to use here. Now, this technology is used by AT&T, and what it does for AT&T is they actually connect this with their CRM, and they text to speech all of their clients' bills. I've gotten one of those before. You all have probably gotten one of those before. And now you are going to have that same technology right in your hands. It is the first time ever on the market to be released, and it is enterprise grade. And of course, all you have to do is drop this down onto your timeline, and now you have your personalized text to speech, and you will produce that video. You could just title that video, so text to speech example, and then add your description, add in your personalization. So whether you want that on Facebook or whether you want that on LinkedIn, and of course you want to upload, okay? Of course you want to upload your thumbnail. So you can upload a personalized thumbnail, you can upload a gift, whatever it may be. And that is what we are going to be showing you. There are a lot of ways that you are going to be able to use this personalized text to speech.